currently attend LaGuardia High School for Music and Performing Arts. LaGuardia High School is best known for it being the Fame School, like the movie Fame. In school, we do perform every single day, and it's got your normal academics, but also your music classes incorporated as well. The teachers here push us pretty hard musically. I mean, their goal is to kind of prepare you for the real world. I really want to be able to make a team on The Voice. I think that'll be a very, very cool accomplishment.
How you feel?
I'm a little nervous.
Yeah?
But even if none of the coaches turn around for you, it's still amazing to be in front of them and perform.
It's absolutely amazing.
Just enjoy it.
I'm feeling anxious, a little nervous, not gonna lie. I can do this. I haven't told any kids from my school that I'm auditioning because I didn't want to jinx anything. I definitely don't want to do that. This is the chance of a lifetime, and I'm going for it right now.
There she is. Oh my God.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain, always gonna wanna make it move, always gonna be another. Look at her, look at her. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about to win on the other side. It's the climb. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep on moving, keep climbing, keep the faith, keep me open.
What's up?
What's up with you? Woo!
What is your name?
My name's Alessandra.
Alessandra.
Yes.
Right on. How old are you?
I'm 17.
Whoa! Wow. You know, there were some issues as it went along, but now that I know you're 17, I mean, like, there's some inexperience there, but it started off so, like, you have to be in this competition. That's kind of how I feel about it, and so I pushed my button a lot earlier than CeeLo Green. I did push it. I think it was like a minute and a half between when I pushed it and when CeeLo pushed it. But no, there's just something special about what you do. It was very refined, especially for your age, and fantastic job. Pick me.
Thank you, thank you.
No, I mean, I pushed my button at the last moment too because it's just like, yo, it's just a great vocal performance. It's just like awesome.
Thank you.
Have you had training?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah, I've
Okay.
had training.
You know, I could tell it was very controlled, but it was just a little too sweet for me.
Okay.
And I did feel like when Adam turned his chair around, you got real excited.
Excited, yeah.
And I heard it in your voice a little, which swayed me from kind of turning around because, you know, certain things fell off, but that's natural. And, you know, the most important thing is that you're in.
Well, yeah, here's the other cool part about the show. You get a chance to pick a coach.
And I think it's pretty obvious.
All right, well, okay,
What is she gonna do?
I love you both, but I think I'm gonna have to listen to the crowd and go with Adam.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Wonderful.
Congratulations.
Great singer. Great singer.
Pretty.
Everybody take it easy.